Hello. It's your one and only Lady Jail. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, you know, say this story of tramadol now I want to talk about today, because it be like say so many people, it be like say they not they look at social media. So I beg anybody wey see this video, wanna help me to share am. Wanna help me to share and give our boys wey want kill themselves all because of they want satisfy woman. I beg, wanna help me to share am, because it be like say they know they hear, they know they look social media and where. So maybe if you share and give person, if that person be get that kind mind, say make it go drink tramadol to satisfy woman, whether the woman something there about wey be say she not satisfy, which they look for man wey want drink tramadol to satisfy am. I beg, make una help me to share this video, please. Anybody wey see am, I beg, I dey beg una, I beg. So this story again, another person wey tramadol again dusty gbeme again. Now I want to talk about so this one na Naija. Now this one for happen now Naija. The guy I not just know how I want it. That is, must you drink tramadol to satisfy woman? Must you drink who tell una say na tramadol to satisfy woman? Who tell una? We be say our young guys just come they by themselves, they kill themselves all because say they want drink a tramadol to satisfy woman. Me no understand. Okay, see this one now. The boy go carry woman where reach about 50 something years. This boy go carry the woman. They carry the woman go house for Naija. That is one for happen. Young guy, that guy 30 something in day. He go carry woman of 50 something years. He want go drink a tramadol, make it satisfy the woman. As he reach house now, him with the woman come dey for a bed. So as that he already drink the medicine, as he don't drink am now, the door jogo don't not be small. The door shop and pull tire. Now the woman come say make he see weight small. Make it cook, come give and make it eat. Now this guy now, before he bring the food, the boy he body don't the tire am for sure. He don't the you know what if somebody want me now, the person he don't the boy don't the I want to put him now. He don't weak for sure. So he had don't even the change. Now the woman quick carry him go hospital. As the carry am go hospital now, before they reach hospital, the guy meme. Una see am, before they reach hospital, another story now they come to talk about. Now the woman now come go police station, make it go report itself for this. They see what happen. No, now they come hold am. As I thought on now, this woman now it is kirikiri for Nigeria. So my people, our young boys of nowadays, me I no understand una at all. Must you drink tramadol to satisfy woman? Must you? We be say na tramadol come the rain for una now. So boy don't feel use the real body na to satisfy woman again. Me no understand. How many minutes of enjoyment so person want kill himself or so? How many minutes? How many minutes enjoyment? If any woman tell una say mo una dey drink this thing, mo not mind them. You don't guess of nowadays, because you see get one. That one what we still talk about that time for social media where the boy go drink tramadol want to satisfy woman, go spend good 4 hours 4 hours wait for to make money. It dey on top of woman. Now God even save that one and say that one no, you don't pay me that day. Now God even save that one that day. This one now, I don't go now. What do you go tell God now? Say na him make income. You go say him drink tramadol. I be waiting. Eh? What do you go tell God now? How you go tell blame yourself now? I don't know it's too late. Woman, when you want satisfy, she sit there alive. You now you don't go. All because of tramadol. Tramadol. I beg my people. When I want to take that thing again. That thing they do for mad people. Me don't know why be say na our boys come they take am now to take the satisfy woman now. Me I don't know. Okay, this boy now don't lost his life all because of he want satisfy woman. My people. This one not pass Joromi. I want to talk about this one now. Eh? The thing the thing just tire me really when I just hear her say, go enter my body. So somebody just by himself just kill himself all because he wants to satisfy a woman. All because he wants to satisfy a woman. Woman whether be mama age, now I want to go satisfy so. Now I want to go drink a tramadol to satisfy. Eh? No. They don't arrest the woman now. The woman they say kiri now. Only God know how that one to come out now. And our women, why not they advise me they go to take all those things? Why? Eh? If a man to take for your body, that will not be pain. Not pain now. That will not be enjoyment again. That will not pain. That will not be satisfaction again. That is what you not they look for? Me they say now you do pass I be waiting. Me I don't understand. If any woman tell you now, our guys now they talk to now. If any woman tell you say go drink tramadol, make you take I bet run for that woman. Run for him. Borrow leg, join leg, take pick race. Just run. Run, because if you go now, you go drink and finish, something happen to you. She go move on, carry another person fast. He not go even send you again. He not go send you again. Eh? He not go send you again. One way Apple that time now for where Apple for Europe here. The girl run. They don't see him. He pick race. He borrow leg, join leg, he run. They don't see that girl. That the boy don't go. They don't see him. Eh? Mona not they take this thing again. It's not good now. It's not good for your health. It's not good. Not very bad medicine. Use your natural body. If the girl say no, you not satisfied. Make it go. Make go look for another person. Instead, wait, be say you go just faint. You get one way happen that time too. The girl, he say he can't jam this boy. Some boys see they be like say maybe the it be like say the some whether they swear for them or I don't know how to put them. He say they friend this boy. He say anytime him go meet this boy, he say this boy go shop the apple reach 3 times. 4 times. He said this boy you know they satisfy. He said if he said the boy say he no want do it again, this boy go say na lie. Oh. They must do him. He no want do it again. He said even though he even they see she they see her flower. He said this boy go say he want do. He said now you go say you know if you can kill him. He said you get one day now. After they don't shop up or reach 4 times. He said this boy say they say he wants to shop. He wants to shop up. He said, I tell the boy, say no, he not fit again. He said the boy can't force him. He said, as the boy can't do, I said, I she faint. They have to rush her to hospital. Let she for go wake up. What should they tell me? I say, you know the fear. That how you go even see continue to they follow that kind of person? Say it say it will change. I want a change. Now this one be the mistake one they made so. He said, as in reach hospital, they can't ask the boy, say, what happen? He can't lie. Say, the just surprised, the girl just collapsed. Then they tell her, say, na lie. Now the girl tell them say na lie oh, na lie. He want kill am oh, he not let am rest. The shopping happen since. He not fit again, he don't weak. Now he just himself for hospital so. Now he run for that guy. He not go follow him again. Eh? You should say that kind of one are my people. Now you way they watch me. Now what do you think about that kind of man? Don't want to be deliverance in it that be for me, shy. They look at saying a deliverance that kind of person need now. Because how can a human be go just say dissatisfied? You want just finish the woman. Just how many minutes enjoyment? Me, I don't understand what you call the apple for this world again, oh, my people. Get to another story when I want to talk about a girl, my people. I see one video with one guy, with one boy, one girl. Two of them they friend each other. This girl just carry a knife, stab the boy, all because of say he see message for the boy phone. She see message for the boy phone. Because of that one, now she just meme the guy. That is, me not come know where this world they turn it to again. How you go how you go meme your own boyfriend all because of say you see message for your phone. Boy, whenever I ever marry you, you see message for your phone. Are you kidding me right now? Me not understand what is this word. Where they turn it to again. Me, I don't understand. Eh? So because say you see message for the boy phone, now you just say you want end them. My people. If you the friend boy, you can't be say you see that kind of message for the boy phone. It reach for you to say you want finish him. You leave him. If you not feel continue again, you leave him. That's why that is why they see many women with be say their husband as their husband go they cheat on them. They go they do everything. Because when they date, if you notice him, say now that kind of person he be, you go say he go change. Now that's the worst. And you say go ahead to go marry him. Then tomorrow you call the complain. No, you're not supposed to complain. Yeah. You're not supposed to complain. Because now what you fed the bear with him where you date him. So you continue to the bear with him. Because when I beg you got the error of my own man, stone when you say they come from up. And you know say that stone go beat your eye. You dodge, now me not beat your eye. So since you already fair no, so what you come make you say you know go ahead. You go ahead. Eh? So my people, I beg, make una the learn. Una the learn really. So our boys will be said that they go they drink this tramadol. I beg, I use God. When they ever take beg una, man, when they do that thing again, it's not good. It's not good for your health. They do that thing for people will be say they're not they okay. Then they do it for. They don't do that medicine for you whether they okay already. You go they take them. Eh? Una go take and finish now. Una can't remember una life. Una can't live una family for suffer. Una family will come they cry. See, young boy, just go remember your life all because of you want to satisfy a woman. All because you want to satisfy a woman. My people, I beg anybody who see this video, make it help me share it because this one not be ordinary again. What you call the apple now? Eh? What you call the apple for this world now, my people, eh? This one passed Jeremy, oh. He passed Jeremy. What you call the apple now? Eh? Our boys want just better. That is it. The other one spent 4 good hours for top of woman because of tramadol when they drink. 4 good hours. I've asked this question that nobody answer me. I say, how many hours from Lagos to Benin? How many hours? When one person just did on top of woman for 4 good hours. 4 good hours. My people, now God, now we go beg for wetin come the apple now. God, now we go beg now. Wetin come the apple now. This tramadol will just come soon. This thing don't pass Joromio. This medicine will come so people just they take anyhow. So this one don't pass Joromio. I beg. Anybody, any guy when no saying get that kind of thoughts not to go take that. He may not take a more. Use your natural body. If the guy say you're not satisfied, tell him I don't want again. I don't want again. If any guy tell you say you jogo down for how many minutes, he say no, you know they okay. Tell him say I beg, baby, you can cheat on me. No worry, I don't go quarrel. Go and cheat on me. You hear? Bye. Choose. You tell her say bye bye. Yeah. Tell her say bye bye. Because you cannot kill yourself, my dear. Tell her say bye bye. This life too sweet, oh. This it's too sweet. Where we say you go just because of one girl go where you never reach where you go. But because of one girl, my dear, if you know what's good for you, I beg. If you get that kind of thought for my not do more. You see all those girls, many they be deceiver. Oh. You go deceive you finish, go do one. Let something happen to you now. You go only cry for only one day. The next day, don't carry another guy again. We want to go deceive. Oh. Some girls just did. Some girls just did. They send them. They just send them come. Make they come destroy. Then they oh. I beg. If you get that kind of thought for mind now, stop am oh. See what did they happen now. This boy not expect. Say na so you go take end the life. You see her now? You don't end the life now. The woman now they say kiri. You get where you go, Richard see release the woman. Yeah. Not be her fault. Not the boy. Now go take him. So my people, that's why I just want to do this video. Reach today. Oh, I beg. Share this video for me. Thumbs up for me. Anything you think about this video, just leave the comments for the comment section. So we will go from there. So take care, everybody, and take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. So stay tuned for more videos. Bye.